In the last video we have seen the concept of paging. In the previous lectures we have also taken the concept of paging. Now both these schemes, there are some particular differences between paging and segmentation. We will be taking each one by one. What is the first basic difference between both is, first one is here the page is of fixed size block, that is a size is fixed and page will be of that fixed size only. Whereas segments, in case of segmentation technique, this will be of variable size. Clear? In paging, the pages will be of fixed size, whereas it won't be of fixed size, it will be of variable size in case of segmentation, as it consists of segments. Second, the most important difference between paging is, in case of paging, internal fragmentation takes place, whereas in case of segmentation, external fragmentation takes place. What is there with internal fragmentation? We have, suppose this is two pages are there, these has been divided into fixed size blocks. So if the process A requires only this memory, so this memory will be wasted and it won't be available to be used by any other process. So this will be wasted. This will be known as internal fragmentation. So this will happen in case of paging. In case of segmentation, external fragmentation will take place. Why external fragmentation will take place? Because we have, suppose two segments, segment 1 and segment 2. Suppose this is the free space available which has not been allotted to a segment. Suppose S3 segment is to be there, it wants memory S3, but the memory required, this is not sufficient. If this requires, suppose 200 MB, suppose 200 MB is present, suppose this is S3, this is 100, this is 50. Suppose we require, instead of 200 we require suppose 150. So 150 memory actual is there, but it is not present in contiguous way. So it is present in at different location, it is not continuous. So even after memory being available, it is the system is not able to satisfy the request. So this is external fragmentation, and this takes place in case of segmentation. Next is about tables. In case of paging, there is a page table which contains the base address of each page. Clear? In case of paging, there is a page table which contains address of each page. Whereas segmentation consists of segment table which contains segment number as well as the offset. This is clear with all, that a page table in case of paging consists of base address of each page. Segmentation contains segment table which contains segment number and offset. Next is the address specified by the user. Now user specified address is divided by CPU into page number and offset. That is, if user want to specify any address, he needs to specify the page number as well as the offset. Whereas in case of segmentation scheme, we know that user specify address by segment number and offset. As we have discussed in the previous class of segmentation, that as we have seen in the previous class, that user specify address by means of segment number and offset. Clear? As segment is always specified by segment number and offset, so user specify these two things for specifying any address in case of segmentation technique. Last one is that in case of paging, the hardware decides what should be the size of the page. Clear? In case of paging, it is the hardware who decides the size of the page, but in case of segmentation, it is the user who decides what is the size of the segment. So these are the 5 main basic differences between paging and segmentation, which is very important from examination point of view. Secondly, you will be given one assignment. You are supposed to submit that by tomorrow. First is differentiate between paging and segmentation. Second question, write down what is segmentation. Next one, write down how external fragmentation takes place in case of segmentation. So these are the three questions that you are supposed to do and submit it by tomorrow. Thank you.